Do you want to improve your Python project? Most applications run in the Python shell. How do you level up your project? Here's what you need. In this video, you will learn about modules and how you can use them to level up your applications, making them look and work better. If you're ready for this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on social media. You can also drop by for a chat on my Discord server. Well, let's get started. What are Python modules? A Python module is a file that contains Python code. Modules can be used to break large programs into smaller and more manageable files so that it doesn't get too complicated. This also allows code to be reused in different places, and you can also split your code into different files and then import the files and use the functions. If something doesn't work, you can easily track the file and find the problem. You will learn more about modules in my Python tutorial. Now there's packages. A package is a collection of different modules that can be used in your project for specific purposes. Packages like requests, Django, kiwitv, and Tkinter can be used in your Python project to do different things. Most applications run in the Python shell, but that's boring. How do you level up your project, turning them from this to this? You need packages. Firstly, I'll tell you about some GUI packages. Then I'll tell you about other packages that can be useful for almost any application. And finally, I'll give you a bonus package that will help you in automation. Let's talk about the GUI, or Graphical User Interface. Since many people don't like to run their applications in a shell, the GUI gives them a graphical representation of their application, making the user experience more favorable. There are 4 main GUI packages that I'll tell you about in this video. The first one is Tkinter. It comes built in with Python, so all you need to do is import it into your project. When used skillfully, Tkinter can be used to make wonderful applications, but it can still be useful for you if you want an easy way to break out of the Python shell and into your own GUI applications. Secondly, we have kiwitv. Kiwitv is also a GUI package, but it's mainly for multi-touch devices like smartphones. It has many different styles that you can use to make your own applications, and you can also convert it to an application. There are also PyQt and WXPython, and all of these are amazing GUI packages that you can use in your project. Learning any one of these will give you the ability to make awesome applications. But now there are some packages that you may need to use regardless of what type of application that you're making. The first one is numpy. NumPy provides tools to help build multi-dimensional arrays. You can solve algebraic formulas, perform common statistical operations, and much more. The next package is the Python Imaging Library. It's also known as PIL or Pillow. It makes it easy to write code that opens, modifies, and saves images in a variety of formats. It's good for basic image manipulation and export, so if you're going to work with images, Pillow is your go-to. But what if you want to work with videos? Then I recommend numpy. It does to videos what Pillow does to images, and you can also use it in your project. The final package is requests. If you want to send any request over HTTP, you must have requests, as it simplifies the entire process and makes it easier for automating many tasks that you need to do to send HTTP requests. And I talked about a bonus package that helps in automation. This is going to have to be PyAutoGUI. PyAutoGUI lets you perform many tasks on your application, like clicking the screen, moving the pointer, and if you code it right, it can also do some tasks by itself, and you won't even need to touch the computer. It's also a really cool package to play with if you want to perform some experiments by yourself. Well, that's all for this video. All the links to the packages will be in the description so that you can add them to your Python and make something with them. I'll go into more detail about making modules in my Python tutorial, so stay tuned for that by hitting that subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my next videos. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below which of the Python packages are your favorite. Thanks for watching, stay happy coding, and we'll meet again in the next video.